Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Last night we were in Bhutan where I prepared Jasha Maroo, another very simple dish but full of flavor. 5 stars, easy. I actually served it over brown rice. I needed a change. And I haven't had brown rice in a while, but I must try. The recipe is it will be posted. It's in the recipes everywhere. I'm starting to include the recipes with posts. Yeah. The culinary expedition continues today in Albania. I'm going to slaughter this name. It looks simple, but there's too many dots, if you know what I mean. Fërgesë. I know that's probably totally wrong. This is another simple dish. So this is 3 simple culinary expedition dishes in a row. It's a 1-pan dish. Let's get to it. And we have bell peppers, which will be chopped and diced. Roba tomatoes, the same, chopped and diced. 3 eggs. Oil, butter, Aleppo pepper, garlic, green onions, and feta cheese. And of course, some salt and pepper. Robin will be coming for dinner tonight. It's kind of a special occasion. Today, as what they say, is my birthday. Today is my 1-year anniversary of being sober. It's been a tough haul, but thank you all for your love and support through this year. Couldn't have made it without you. All right. On this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.